Disclaimer, the views in this video are those of the creator and do not reflect any organizations or individuals mentioned. This content is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Enjoy watching. Previously on Personally Yours, the Penny Salcedo Vlogs. Go support us today, of course, myself and Sefi, Global Mellow Duo, and as well Thor and Pia.
Ang pangalang aking tatawagin, siya ang first international talentadong Pinoy champion. At yan ay walang iba kundi congratulations! Penny Salcedo!
Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said.
From Hong Kong, Miss Penny Salcedo.
Mga pangalang babanggitin ko ay ang makakasama sa top 4. Pasok ka na! Penny Salcedo ng Southeast Asia. Congratulations, Penny!
Welcome to my channel, Butterflies!
Follow and subscribe. Follow and subscribe. She's Penny Salcedo. Penny Salcedo. Penny Salcedo. It's Penny Salcedo. Whoa. She's got the right vibe. Gonna go live. She's worldwide. She's a delight. Young and old, on the go. Positive, energetic, high energy, high energy. She's a creator, a vlogger, an entertainer, an artist. She's everything, an embrace. She's everything. The voice, she's everything. Host of the show on my radio. She's everything. She's everything. Hey! Penny Salcedo, follow her on Insta. Penny Salcedo, follow her on Twitter. Penny Salcedo, follow her on TikTok. Penny Salcedo, follow her on YouTube.
And for today's featured vlog. Hello there, my beautiful butterflies and kapempeg de sarapens. It's me, Penny Salcedo, and thanks be to God to yet another vlogging day. Ayan, kamusta po kayo lahat dyan? Milyong salamat po sa Diyos to yet another vlogging day. And actually, this is not really like a vlog. It's the continuation of the latest vlog that I have. Please do check that out, either here or here. Please click. And just to make it quick, this vlog, our vlog for today is the actual singing competition, wherein yung talagang laban na po namin, yung the day that myself and the Sefi Francisco during Tawag na Tanghalan duets that happened last year, November. Mind you, last year pa to. But yeah, gladly sharing it today on this vlog, and I hope that you like it. Please leave a comment and let me know where you're watching my vlogs from. And of course, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified, because I have really fun surprises to come up very soon. I will be having some giveaways and surprises to everyone who are going to subscribe on my channel. So yes, including Gcash and all and everything. Yes. So go ahead and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified. Leave a comment, let me know where you're watching me from, and let me know which part of this entire video you like. I also would like to know what your thoughts are on the duet that myself and Sefi Francisco had during Tawag na Tanghalan duets. And as well, let me know what you think of the judges' comments. Ayan ha, I would love to hear what you think what you think of the judges' comments. So, yeah, there you go. Thank you so much, my beautiful butterflies. I hope you enjoy this vlog and to many more, God willing. Cheers, I love you all. Mwah, 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 mwah. Thank you so much for the support on my channel. Boosh! Stage is set for the Global Mellow Duo.
Like a friend, troubled water, I will lay me down when you're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I will dry them all. I'm on your side. Oh, when times get rough and friends just can't be found, like a breath over troubled waters, I will lay me down. Ooh, when you're down and down, oh, when you're on the street, when evening falls so hard, I will call upon you. I'll take your part. Oh, when you need a friend and pain is all around, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down. I will lay me down. I will lay me down. I will lay me down, 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 down. I will lay me down.
Ang ikalawang pares, the Global Mellow Duo, Penny Salcero at Sefi Francisco!
Yes!
Hello!
Napakagaling!
Grabe, first time nangyari to.
Na?
Nagsama si Alanis Morissette at si Mariah Carey.
Oo nga.
Sila pala yun.
Alani Carey. Kanina love team, ngayon magkumari na. Magkumari. Ang
Friendship, oo. Kwentuhan nyo kami sa pagiging magkaibigan nyo.
Nagsimula po nung pandemic, kami po ay nagla-live streaming. Ayan, so sumali kami sa isang singing competition at hanggang doon po, naging magkaibigan na po talaga kami. Lumipad po ko ng Hong Kong to meet her.
Wow.
Wow
Kasi
naman.
si Penny ay based sa Hong Kong.
Opo.
No?
Opo.
Penny, ano yung nag-udyok sa'yo para sumali? From Hong Kong, pumunta ka ng Pilipinas para sumali sa TNT.
Actually, this is already my third time po. And maraming salamat, milyong salamat po sa Panginoong Diyos sa pagkakataon pong itong muli because I was here the very first time po, representing Hong Kong, at the very first global edition po ng Tawag na Tanghali.
Wow.
Grabe.
Nararangal namin na ikaw ay
Yes.
narinig.
Maraming salamat po. And you were one of the judges po.
Uy,
Ayun, ikaw naman pala po yun.
Maganda ba nga mga sinabi ko?
Ay, napaganda.
Oo, kita mo. Maganda.
Totoo ba yun?
Parang hindi mo siya natandaan.
Naalala ko.
Ako po
Hindi pa
yung
siya
may-
doktor, no?
Hindi naman siya doktor ngayon. Hindi siya doktor ngayon.
Ano ka ba? CEO ka ng ano, di ba?
Opo.
CEO ba?
Sa punta. Hindi, derma kasi siya.
Hindi rin derma.
Ba't ano ba siya?
Ano, kung natatandaan mo, ano kinanta niya nun?
Ano, Bridge Over Troubled.
Yun ang kinanta
Yun ang kinanta niya ngayon.
Palagi, ano ba kinanta mo?
Actually, ako po yung
O yun,
blonde hair.
actually ang kinanta niya. Hindi pa.
Hindi.
Yung blonde hair po na super plump po before.
Ikaw yun?
Purple Rain po yung kinanta ko.
Kaya naman pala nag-iba na, ay, Purple Rain. Oo,
Purple Rain.
Naalala ko na
Nakakita
yan.
ka na ba ng Purple Rain?
Hindi pa, pero nakakain na ako.
Purple Yum.
Parang ube.
Purple Yum yun.
Oh, Purple Yum.
Ito, global tong dalawang to. Kasi
Yes.
si Sefi naman ay sumali sa...
Sa X Factor UK po, sa London.
Diba?
At nag-yes ang mga hurado sa kanya. Kwentuhan mo kami doon tungkol doon.
Opo, sumali po ako sa X Factor sa UK po at napakagandang experience po yun kasi hindi ko maakalain na mare-represent ko yung Philippines sa international stage. Tapos po, naka-receive po ako ng 4 yeses from the judges. Especially Simon Cowell po na talagang kinakatakutan pero love niya po ang mga Pilipino.
Good.
Alaka-proud sila, no?
Yeah, alam mo ba kung sinong Simon Cowell ng Pilipinas?
Sino
Sino?
ba?
Yan sa tabi ko.
Ako.
Ogie Alcantara.
Mahilig mag-manage din to.
Oo, tiyo.
Kuya Og.
Kala ko kasi masisikip yung suot.
From Eddie mo to Simon Cowell.
Pero parang mas gwapo po si Kuya Og.
Grabe, sayang. Hindi siya hurado ngayon.
Naman ganon.
Ano kinanta mo doon?
The Prayer po, bali nagdadalawang boses po ako, female and male voice.
Pwede bang sample lang?
Sample, napakagaling niya.
Siyempre,
Sample.
4 yeses eh. 4 yeses.
I pray you'll be alright.
La luce che tu dai.
Kaya rin ni Sir Jong.
Kuya Chong, kaya mo yun?
La luce che tu dai.
Okay, tamo.
Kaya rin ni Jackie yun.
Kaya rin ni Jackie yun.
Kaya niya yung nasa tono tsaka yung wala sa tono.
Go.
Kaya ko yun. I pray you'll
Yun yung wala sa tono.
Ayaw yung
Wala sa tono.
Yung nasa tono.
La luce
Ano na lucha meneme? Wala si Meme.
Pero ang gumagawa talaga niyan sa comedy bar, si MC.
Ay,
ano ba?
Let's go at MC.
Tulungan niyo ako.
Pati ba?
Ang gagaling. Ang hirap, di ba?
Mahirap.
Ganong
Yung ano,
kagaling si Sir.
Yes.
Si Sefi.
Yes.
Tsaka nagko-comedy bar din si Sefi.
Yes. Oo.
Perform din po.
Alam mo, sobrang proud kami sa inyong dalawa. Mabuhay
Maraming salamat po.
mabuhay ang mga Pinoy.
Yes.
Yes.
Ang talentong Pilipino.
Yes. Pero ang tanong, nabuhay din kaya ang mga hurado sa kanilang
Yun, no?
performance?
Kaya ito, tanungin natin mga hurados, anong masasabi niyo sa pagtatanghal ng The Global Mellow Duo? Ayan, Hurado Eric Santos.
Lalo.
Di mo kasi ako tinawag eh.
Ayan.
Hi, Penny and Sefi. Alam nyo, you guys complemented each other. No? Ang ganda ng harmonies ninyo. Ang hirap nun mahirap yung kanta. You were so focused. Talagang you came prepared. And ang maganda sa inyo, nagbibigayan kayo. You gave each other moment to shine. And I think that was a powerful performance. Congratulations.
Maraming salamat, Hurado Eric, at maraming salamat sa ating mga hurado.
Oh, meron pa.
Meron pa, Jackie.
may
Ito naman,
magsasabi ka pa,
papasalamat
Jackie.
agad.
Na-excite lang talaga
Tatlo
si
sila,
Jackie.
Hindi, maraming salamat sa ating mga hurados
Oo.
kasi talagang nakafocus sila sa
Yeah.
performance. Kaya tatanungin pa natin ang ating punong hurado.
Galing!
Hindi.
Okay. Do it tayo ulit.
Do it tayo, Sir Louie.
I liked your performance, Penny and Sefi, and I must congratulate you for your individual achievements, no? Whether it be here in the Philippines or worldwide, we are very proud of you. Now, for today, I liked it naman, no? But I felt it didn't have the magic kasi. I don't know, it's not the song, but hindi naman, you were complimenting each other very well. The parts that you were singing were, kumbaga nakapako talaga, your harmony was there. But I don't know, I was looking for some magic pa. Maybe with the kind of, maybe a more malikot harmony that would, when the two of you will be moving in parallel and complementing each other. Individually, you guys are perfect. You are very good. Again, it's just about the magic for a duet. Diba? Yan yung concern ko lang. I'm not saying it wasn't good, but probably it could have been a bit more magical. Yan. That's what I was looking for, that kurot. I was looking for that pasabog there. So, love you both.
Yes, I agree with Sir Louie. Dalawang individually great vocalists. Pero parang during the duet part, parang I felt lost because the song is major in yung storytelling, and during the duet, parang you're telling different stories. And kapag yung magic kasi nandun yun sa storytelling yung dalawa, and yung chemistry nyo on how you tell the story. And for me, it wasn't that cohesive. Yeah. Thank you. And that was a great performance.
Gahanap sila ng magic, no? Dapat hinati
Ako,
yung
feeling
katawan.
Feeling ko kasi, di ba, sabi ko kanina, parang you guys were too focused. Parang individually masyadong nakafocus kung ano yung gagawin. Siguro yun yung sinasabi ng dalawa nating hurados. Masyado kayong nag-focus, nawala yung magic, nawala yung chemistry. I think yun feeling ko yun yung hinahanap na.
Maybe you were a bit concerned na hitting the right notes without faltering, di ba? So, that's why parang may pagka-preoccupied kayo, kaya wala yung magic. Yon. Yeah.
Maraming salamat po sa ating mga hurados at sa ating ikalawang pares, the Global Mellow Duo, Penny Salcedo at Sefi Francisco.
Ang pares na nanaig ngayong araw, alamin sa pagbabalik ng TNT Duets!
What do you think of the judges' comments? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And for today's Bible share, Isaiah chapter 41, verse 10. Fear thou not, for I am with thee. Be not dismayed, for I am thy God. I will strengthen thee, yea, I will help thee, yea, I will uphold thee with the right hand of my righteousness. At sa wikang Tagalog, Isaias 41:10. Huwag kang matakot, sapagkat ako'y sumasa iyo. Huwag kang mangdupaypay, sapagkat ako'y iyong Diyos. Aking palalakasin ka, oo, aking tutulungan ka, oo, aking aalalayan ka, ng kanang kamay ng aking katwiran. Milyong salamat po sa Diyos. Million thanks be to God. And I am also heartily inviting you to have a listen to the pure doctrines of Christ at MCGI Mass Indoctrinations, held every month, together with Brother Eli Soriano and Kuya Daniel Razon. Go to www.mcgi.org for more details.